Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can check and find contacts on TikTok. Well, it is very easy. So first thing to do is simply open your TikTok and make sure that you are logged in. Just like this, here you can see I'm logged into my account, and then from here what you're going to do is simply tap on your profile and simply open your profile. So from here on the top left corner here you can see a person-like icon. All you need to do is tap on it, and then from here we can find friends. From here, you'll need to tap on Find Contacts right here. And here you can see it will now ask you to allow contacts. So what you're going to do is simply tap on OK in this pop-up just like this. And here you can see we have now successfully enabled our contacts on the TikTok. And from here, we can now find the people from our contacts in our TikTok. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.